All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start 60-second session. What's your name?
My name is Ridoy.
How are you today?
I'm fine, sir. And you?
I'm fine too. Thanks. This is Naim and I'm going to ask you 10 short questions for this very 60-second session. The first one, that is mobile or telephone?
It's mobile because it's easy to carry.
Okay, storybooks or novel?
Storybook because I like to read storybook.
Thank you. Laptop or desktop?
Both laptop for study purpose and desktop for work purpose.
Okay, football or cricket?
Cricket because it's our popular game in our country.
Pen or pencil?
It's pen because it's right to easy.
Okay, city or village?
It's village because my parents live here.
Thank you. Friends or family?
Actually, both are important in my life.
Okay, job or business?
It's business because business is our sunnah.
Excellent. Movie or drama?
Actually, it's depend my mood. Sometime movie, sometime drama.
Okay, the last one, Honda or cycle?
It's Honda because I like Honda.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your answers.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Allah Hafiz.